Ni hao, my name is Hannah. I am single with live-in partner. I have two kids from Philippines. I am college graduate. I am hardworking, cheerful, helpful, and kind. I love cooking, cleaning the house, and taking care of infant and children. I love also marketing. I have work experience as a housemaid in Philippines for 2 years. There are five members in the family. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children ages 10, 9, and 4 years old. I do cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, cooking, marketing, and sending children to school. I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food and your culture. I am looking forward to work with you, Mom and Sir. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.